Australia has the potential to be easily the lowest cost producer of renewable energy in the developed world. Well, this region and southern Australia generally has an extraordinary combination of wind and solar resources. In Western Victoria, it's the highest quality resource is wind. As you go further north, the solar component strengthens. The combination of wind and solar is richer and stronger than one of them alone because they complement each other. With the two of them, you need less storage to turn intermittent power into firm power, so it's a very powerful combination. The future is zero emissions energy. Wind and solar will be the core of that renewable energy future. We have to be clever about the transmission systems and the firming systems that stand alongside it. Get it all right, and Australia is naturally the energy superpower of the future zero emissions world economy.